Hey, first off, sorry about the air conditioning, but take a look at this. I don't know how well you can see it. We're at 24 degrees science and a humidity of 68%. Air is like soup around this place. Hey, what's happening, guys? About a week ago, one of our viewers and a patron of the channel, CyberCityCircuits, contacted me and says he makes little subscription boxes and wondered if he could send me one and I'd check it out on the channel. So I said, yeah, I'd be happy to. And this is it. So he never told me his name, just CyberCityCircuits. So thank you, CyberCityCircuits, for sending this out. We are going to check it out today, and these subscription boxes are available for $12 a month or $10 on a yearly rotating basis per month. I mean, if you buy a 12-month subscription, you get them for $10 a month. So a little bit of savings, free shipping in the USA, and it is a veteran-owned business, which is something near and dear to my heart. Oh, nice little business card that looks like it's actually an Arduino. Designed and produced in Augusta, Georgia. Ah, Chris Williamson. There we go. CyberCityCircuits.com. So we have a do-it-yourself LED dice kit. Oh, and a little badge kit. Tape and crossbones kit. Cool. It's a nice little bag to put this. It's like a bank bag almost. And a 9-volt battery. Nice. Let's take a look at this tape and crossbones kit. See what we got going on here. Comes in a nice static resistant bag. Remember, LEDs are diodes and need to be installed in the correct position. Long leg goes through the circular hole, short leg goes through the negative hole. Cool. You're always going to want to check that anyway. Not everybody follows the right layout. I can't even think. Oh, tape. That's what I meant by tape. Cassette tape. I haven't seen one in a very long time, so that's nice. And it's a badge. Put the battery on the back. LEDs on the front. Just whip it up, right? Alright, so it looks like we got everything we need here. Got our battery holder, a couple LEDs, switch. What more do you need, right? So we're going to start out by straightening these legs of these LED or this switch out, because this is somewhat of an unconventional way to put a switch on. Those exposed pads there. I don't know why they did that, but it'll work just fine. Let's get my soldering iron, clean it off a little bit, and we'll tin these pads up. Shouldn't need too much, but we'll get inside that little box area there. You can see the little box area. Oh, a little much more on that one than I wanted, but that'll be alright. We're just going to hold that button down there and flow that solder onto it. Hold her a couple seconds till she cools. Uh-oh, Paul, you screwed that up. Gotta be more over this way. Alright, let's try that again. There we go. Get that one flowed on there. I'll flow this one. I'm add a little more solder because I didn't have any out at the end there. Same with here. Get that flowed real nice. Not bad. Next we will put in our cell holder, and nice design here. You really can't put it in backwards or it won't fit. It won't look right. It won't fit in the footprint. So good job on the designer there. Come on, fumble fingers. So yesterday was supposed to be the first launch of a manned rocket from American soil since 2011, but since it was being done in Florida, well, you know what the weather in Florida is like in the spring. If you're in the U.S., it's totally unpredictable, and they got scrubbed. So hopefully they will get to go on Saturday. Just trying to get her in there. Come on, focus. He has these marked for polarity, which is very nice. Everybody should mark their stuff for polarity. Makes it easy on the guy putting this stuff together. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to solder one leg of each of those. And then I just want to have a look here and make sure they're sitting right. Straighten them out. That one's pretty good. Then we'll solder in the other leg. Get our flush cutters. Cut those off. Looks pretty good. Let's put the battery in her. See how it does. Nothing. Did I put the battery in upside down? That ain't good. I don't think I put it in upside down. Maybe I did. There we go. Nice. Now we have a nice little badge. Very cool. Let's check out the LED dice kit. All of our components out there. Again, there's the card. Got some trannies. Some resistors. Circuit board holder, or a IC holder. CD4017BE. That makes this a 555. Yep, this is the classic. Classic. We'll look at the instructions. Nice section. How does it work? Timer, counter, capacitor. We've got a schematic. Our resistors. And the board is labeled so we know what's what. Alright, I'm going to put this together, but I'm not going to do it in real time because you've already watched me solder enough. So put this together and we'll be right back. Alright, it's built. It took me about 20 minutes. Might take you less, might take you more. What did I learn from building? A couple things. All the values are labeled on the board except R11, which is a 10K. The footprints for the transistors are very tiny, so you are definitely going to want to make sure you check those for any solder bridges, or you just might not get what you were looking for. Do not let that frighten you away from doing this. This is a very doable kit and a great first kit. You know, you're stuck in the house through all this mess we're in. You're looking for something to do, or you want to introduce your children to electronics. This is a great kit. It's a classic circuit. We're going to take a look at the documentation here in just a second. Well, I shape these legs so that they fit a little bit better. Yes, they make tools for doing this, but they're very expensive, and the average home guy can just roll them on the bench like that, and you should have good luck. Just be careful when you're putting them in that they all fit, they're all in line, and you don't bend any pins. See, that's still not right. When you get it just right, you'll feel it. If you have to, I mean, yeah, they take a little bit of pressure to put in, but when everything is the right angle and everything, you just push, and in they go. Just like that. So if we take a look here, it tells you how it works. So I'm not going to go over all that. You have a nice diagram here. He's even used net labels. Very well done. All of our components are labeled. They tell you where they go. Step 1, resistor 1K goes to R14. Even tells you how to identify them. Important notes. LEDs and capacitor must be installed correctly. LEDs, long leg, short leg, electrolyte capacitors. Well, you know what this means. It's time to see how bad Paul screwed it up. Well, apparently he screwed it up pretty good. There we go. Cool. I don't know what else. I might have done something wrong there, but hey, you get the idea. It works. Might have a solder bridge there. Let me check them real quick. I think I found the problem. Do you see it? Let's hope I can fix it. Should be able to. What did I just talk about? Being sure you got all the legs in there properly. And we got one that is completely gespinkto. So, let's hope that I can fix this. Looks better. All right, let's see what we got now. Same mess. Oh, there we go. Now it's working. Boom, we got a 1. So that was the problem. Pretty cool. What are we going to get this time? I'm saying a 4. 4. Who's putting their money on 4? 4. Give me a 4. Can I have a 4? It's 3. Oh, well. Anyway, it works. And like I said, it's an easy kit that you can do. It's something you can do with your kids. It's something, if you want to get started in electronics, this is great. For $12 to get all this stuff, there's even his business card here, which if you put this all together, you got yourself an Arduino. You got the nice little carrying bag. There's going to be a link down below. Give the guy a shot if you're looking for some fun electronics. The fact that he sourced this and put this all together for $12, man, good job, Chris. I'm proud of you. If you like this, hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons. Big thanks to Chris and CyberCityCircuits. That's it. I'm out. Give me a 5. Give me a 5. Come on, 5. 5. 5. Can I have a 5? Give me a 5. Daddy needs a 5. Man, I am one off every time. Peace.